Hey guys, so I parked the truck in the wrong spot. Apparently, my wife says I was just supposed to move it to the side, not on the side. So the bin showed up. It's still cold and snowy as ever. Truck's back here. Let's see how good it starts up the next day. All right, inside the Fargo. I got a light going just so I can see what's going on here. Truck hasn't started for 24 hours. No choke. 68 Fargo D100. Let's see how fast it fires up. Should I pump it? No, crank it first. Hopefully the battery's good, please. Oh, it's kind of low. Come on, baby. I need to move you. Wife's not happy. Oh. Come on. Uh-oh. I don't think that battery has enough for us. I left the booster pack out overnight, so the cold obviously killed it. This poor starter. Alright, gonna have to jump it. Hooray. Alright, we got the old Honda hooked up. Oh, my fingers are so cold. Oh. Well, that was quick. But it won't run. It's actually really cold. Yeah, there we go. It is cold. Listen to that baby. Oh. Uh-oh. Come on, girl. I know she's cold. Oh boy. Right on. That wasn't too bad. Besides having to hook up a jumper car and yeah. Throttle stuck at the perfect position. Well, hope you guys liked the 2 in a row. Like and subscribe. A little bit of cold start in the night action here. Boom. A little bit of picturesque. Idle doesn't want to come down. Interesting. Alright. Anyways, have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching.